Okay, I'm going to show you how to get a free axle for your truck. Okay, you go to drivetrain, and you go to the axle you want, like, I want to get the Solid Axle Pro. I want to go to the back and get the Solid Axle Pro. It don't have to be the same axle. Then you go back to the front, you buy the front one, and then you go back off of it. And I still got the back one. I had to pay for the front one, but I still had the back one. And you can still go to tune, change it, upgrade it. You can still do the front the same way. And you can still do everything the same. You can change it to make it like if you want to do a wheelie truck. You can still take it out and drive it like you need to. It takes forever to load. You still have it. I don't think it ain't been patched yet, but I don't know if it will be. But that's how you get the free axle in the back. You still have to pay for front, but you don't have to pay $5,000 more for the back one. I just thought it was a helpful trick that you need to know. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.